Yo, assalamu alaikum bani ngal kontong bi fana special kachato kasama ngal jang bimba kibaro follow la damen rolam some really Gambia kibaro dol meni alon ko ilafta kaw ko yala demanding bari ngamodo je ko yo bun kidola bi Senegal so yoro lo bun kidola mbo ko jibelal anu nga do fana je me alon ko ateta sunya rolla selta wan fenso kan corona ramas e ka banta e ka tela sababu saya sababu nata su wala fe and some other positive new bijam Gambia funding ke do bi o fana fendo invent me alon ko abe tani na anin sako ka fengol samba be transport sector do abe development ba kala je en wo kita kuri me alon ko ay demaro so dala anu be nyinin karo kala mol bulu especially the government we encourage them prio mo sifal makoy of course pa jany la audio nyumbo na la nan janne video bala video it unfortunately because left analysis do je and also pour ka fact checking ke ala video ken sama nyum on tama interest wala non tombi bare membe je to wala nyiko aba kuma dolel fo kan talib ma je men ya lon ko tumando ba to dol man na ke kuti me lon ko ku sotori ngolam bari to ne ko ku jare UDP camera ko mo banko jawote ani fana analysis be waral da men bi demanding pa jany la karola le mo aning nyum simenti wa filal me ya lon ko yo lelta yi arrest anen yankuba min tafana la ko domandi be jana me yalan ko mba kacalal so bi wolel bi jam min yalan ko social media trend lembang kana fo main stream news bi wolle bi jam min yalan ko lafta ka wolnat nan jang bi special kacado and also drug law enforcement koteke malam warj malam we have to tell this report on this but yeah ye dola fana muda eco the Fatu network so said the drug law enforcement agency arrested over 20 suspected Nigerian online scammers in a joint operation with the immigration department and police intervention unit. Suspects were found in, with laptops, mobile phones and suspected chunk charged with joint possession of a prohibited drug. Further investigations into the online scamming and documentation fraud activities are ongoing. This is a quote. The operation led to the arrest of 20 Nigerian citizens suspected of online scamming, documentation fraud, and other forms of crimes. The drug law enforcement la fenko malamba flanyadi. La PRO nying ikafme ko Usman Sediba ibola court kawodo. So way janala another drug issue sort of me alongo one Mr. Makalo ko yo fanala muda Gambia airport ko men nga kibar do nata na jang amira chay til tansi me alon ko fana Gambia di ngolam nyum mun kuma nyum koy ma nyum kilo lulu abole track ka bondi Gambia kasamba Barcelona atabita kan no Vueling airline la after nata muda airport so bari do fana muda airport do ko tege yonim pilot pilso le muda comme fon ka fanya pilso yata no jama balle muda so saying a jiber ke there is a truck driver, one Amadou Juma Kamara, has been reportedly by Senegalese soldiers near Kanilai while transporting timber from Casamance region. Two others were also boom during the incident. Amadou's mother, however, reported that her son was shot while driving and managed to escape, but his apprentice is currently missing. Fortunately, Amadou's colleague was not injured. Amadou Juma Kamara is currently receiving treatment at the Ndemban clinic. The story is developing and we'll keep you up to date. Yes, so aliamo nyame wala wodi but wala karola ron memang fala wala nyindi ko Senegal yalo ngamen fo jang several times ndol mo opposition lelti anu man ke motime yalon ko mol yalla ko dena buga APRC support dena buga NPP fana support but fo nyi law area la ndiaje ko ening nyul kadun nyola tonya Senegal so jorol kadu nyola jama bi je wala nyini ko ya fille ko Senegal so jorol ye je kila checkpoint doldi pour que la timba business on ka mutaka hold amanke anda amanke ko fonyen ko ka timba business on fanke ba ken ya jibe tonya mo kilenati akuwanyen especially at me ka interest pan african ko la ansal kibar ko timba me yalon ko jama bi jaka bo fonyen gambe dingol tonya lam fon lel kadun ka bondi lunta mboka dunje ba kem fon lam ntelle kadun ka bo gambe because ndeka fu nyoma fon kaso la mental fo sanyi sabane manyina as ada Senegal banko kanje but même fana kuma je sa ko in relation to nyum pan african la karola young pan-africanist alsenyen kalam ko Chinese one of the exploitations be men kan gambe wala nyi yiri ko wanyindi e fanal mo mol menan ko blue back ko tole kamol sponsor mo gambe nol be je gambe menan ko kera millionaire bi be men yalan ko Chinese la ko do dile because it fon la ko c'est risky adventure e ko dunje e ka men ke to they give money to people mol be je menan ko bi jalol be tol wur la mol be tol wala online ni ba fale mo millionaire kera Chinese la ko do di wala ka di modol la kayiro sang o at least ni ni Chinese la ko do di to le to ka modol fenge ka fo ko ni yir nangam dal mbasa na bare ko do be wala ready wano cash. So that's one of the things man go Chinese or bola ke kanje just for the record, but also so be kama ita ko it is not the involvement of this of the what is it called, the Senegalese people, but in other stereotype the Fonyenkas in other Fonyen kolmara ke stereotype ke follow no ke accuse no back in rebellion ko lela if only yalon ko bolote bulu just because in Kasamas border that doesn't make anybody a rebel. So say another kamoneke over policing ning anu men nata ko dimini wala ni ko jama bi victim sol ni muta inside Senegal Gambia fo ni je fon la detention sen ka Senegal let anu man nyana kala kuti melan ka be sotorna. So these are some of the things men ka Senegal fo nyon ko kamfandi sometimes dolbe je buka understand ka kibaro jel dron se fo nyon ko ning Senegal so jorol be nyola fo nyon ko be complain na you don't understand the circumstances and you just blame them overall. Okay, ni man particularly, but that does not mean that they are wrong. They are not wrong in any way. It tarno lela sate kono e katara je mulke mini alon ko yemuta rebel do ko le kana yewol samani la sare e jege la checkpoint odi and then ikaji over police. So womu kule de me alan ko I think as Gambians we should all condemn it. Senegalel be mena Gambia banko ka nyanta stop la environment nyina tinya karola ne government cooperation also no do mambala wala bere mo manya conspire at this in this day and age pour kanyola environment otinya. Okay, but nyanda lonal fana munatina Senegalel fo nyongol ka kamfa because ni ajibe fo atara fo ye truck driver bon kidola na ba nyama fa mo manyana ka ban truck mo speed so fa isa fo men nako me alon ko sako silati nyaare ngol kan so jero ni la patrol vehicle tol tab bay ni no la fa kata dame yello wala ya sovel fan because they are in the Gambia, they are also in Senegal. Ya sovel ya make so ko fa tata dame check ya muta anu ngalo ne fana ko yirol men fana fa ngol yalon ko moli boyle fo ka pare be laring ay kanawol fana no Senegal. That's how powerful the Senegalese soldiers are in Gambia. Wati doje they came to, I think this was in fact in Jara, if I can remember, around Jabi Sanyol Mahola in Duntanunje 4, 5, 6 years ago. I can't remember precisely, but in Aranungo Mahola Fana, you roll inside Gambia, you confiscate. And then in Sate Mol Duntanyola Sate Mol, they kind of resisted against them. Kafo Komenko, Al Jamankala territory, this is beyond your jurisdiction and you cannot do this here. So Senegal soldier all Benina Gambia, and this is why sometimes Nimbe Diamula, Mol Kamiranka bias, but male presence in our country, Mani and the back because Menegal. Before you call harass continuously and they have been ignored for a very, very long period of time. Of course, there's a difference between a resistance to Komenka, some people still live in that delusion. We recognize that. But because in Senegal border, Casamas border, so Hani Hajin din so duna, near will be truck drive surveillance. It's a complex issue, okay? You need to understand it to feel their position. You understand? So dobi ye fan handi masimati je ulo kono dore se umuta wala ya haras ya la masimati sabulu ya arrest ya fo komen ko obe surveillance leke kan for the illegal timber dealers. So be mu kulere melan ko kola ko belare na mol kan ne foni we totally stand in solidarity with them. The presence of this so called Senegalese soldiers in Foni is not something melan ko dal. They are just encouraging our territorial integrity, if you ask me. There is a story of one Mariama Sag, I'm not sure ngala name pronounced but apology, and her solar powered cart by solar powered cart. So are started mulunga invent me alongo solar kasamba ko ben gamen fodron adam barola karola in fact in another news ko ben nawek split la sign nawek be split la into water kala file water segment bi da file electricity segment bi da file sali ajela failure nyong obviously il font li alon barangali alon ne kibaro na jama mi adam baro ko by 2025 akaba make sure ko is it 2025 or 2026 2026 ni manyina akaba make sure Gambia be cross so manyina ko fana so in the bustling streets of the Gambia, Maria Masag, a dedicated member of Women in STEM, has introduced a groundbreaking innovation, the multifunctional solar powered cart. Recognizing the challenges faced by street vendors, unhealthy eating habits, difficulties accessing markets, and high employment, Mariama set out to create a sustainable mobile solution. So memen kala bana talo kala le screen organ atul men kaje because this is something that we need to encourage. Momo lafta ka mako drone te male ba contact la nyam but I don't go many news article on your report me will contact. I think you will be able to get in touch with her. I think this is a very very good one. I hope that the environmentalists, many along low environmental collab, they will reach out to somebody like that because this is a solar powered thing. So we should all emulate and encourage this. Tonya nyumu kulti me along ngawunyandi ba kele. So Bio News Co, an unidentified thief was electrocuted to death last night as he tried to climb the barbed wire fence of a private compound in Salaji, according to neighbors. The Bio News editorial, of course, shared an opinion on this, which I don't agree with. It says, it is very sad news, but lack of job creation by the government or lack of employment opportunities for the youth is a major contributing factor. It could be recalled that President Adama Barrow's government last year has promised creation of 150,000 jobs in the Gambia with timeline timeline jumala. But I know whatever they promise are, to be honest with you, when it comes to job, I don't think that they're gonna deliver, or they can't even deliver. I am not sure if they have the capability, because all katanya me it will be like mara da mala. Okay, but nyenyi sumo jibe me alanga jumbita fenso la mala do kunta yamuri because nita mola dula to na fenso ke ay waya keje that's a signal kaitan logo moro sungole mbadani jande du koral kana duna korda kono imam bala wala dunda. So I think here what we ntede in semen fono nte ben kan la fala damenda ka wala nyeko government need to be careful when it comes to because be fankando la ja, there's a very high possibility God they may come out ninyo si falsiata wala akeda kurime alanga discourse back in the public domain is a wulino la yafa kumengo kuramota ka kila waya bala fenso kang isa fono ba jawyandila. But those are things many along manyana kawke private citizens, especially many along some of us here living in Europe wala dolbi be do wala Gambia, we have compounds many along mol man rasting back, maybe you only have a wife and a few people kids maybe living in that house, or maybe you have a compound where you just have one or two people living in that compound. So you definitely need security, and one person being a security is sometimes not enough. One person can very easily be overpowered by these people because these are young, energetic, and capable people. Sometimes they move in groups. So if you have near fence also do thing me alonko ni mo seleta kan asi kututa josino le ngamira on kulde me alanga nyadala man niyo bada dawda of course beka sunu bari nyimo kulde me yalon ko fondin kel nyande yakil loje do kunta yama mo bula nyina ni aji be janni nyi jaman dol tambita men ko fora e mol mutamen tambita na konkolu ketanu mal nutritional e mol mol be natalu jinyane bara mam mol bula forol bula kay manya sifalke ni betala sunya rola fo e finti eta yesela wandi fenso kan imande wala ye fenso fana ye wayaji yesela kan so même fala masakunda ro se hakiltu kana banku dingol silandi ke fam protect in this manner because Gambia be nyamen one defense that is a Gambia public la wala nyade ko Gambia man police ol kata damento itol sobita damena intel soto damena walle be patrol la randomly kata dulal suto la teng okay bari ni kumandi fam priyena dulato Gambia man hotline so me yalon ko fat ne police ol call drone everywhere across the country be dankula even combo area la andi KMC Banjul wodulal beto so mu kulte me yalon ko masakunda nyanda kiltulo de manyana mol silandi la to protect their lives and properties because it all a basic function momendi according to the law, and this is not just the Gambia. Universally, it is just the protection of life and property. So one way to protect your property near kurang fence or consando, I don't think that's harmful as long as maybe nimbe kunol fon la ko mira ba hanama mo me alon ka taw aka fa jombe le fence la malambo la ko mira la ya do ngalon ko kunol fonal te lola waya ka me alon ka melundal. So I think this is something me alon ko dal Masakunda kana mol silandi nyina. But yeah, I don't think this is because of the lack of employment. It is the lack of wisdom and total toleya. So même keta jam fanam mina president Adam Barrow audio fana pile jang ka fo damen to ko nyaade mana ko nyaade fam president akum.
Our efforts include introducing a new constitution, and we remain committed to pursuing it this year. It is hoped that a referendum on the new constitution will be held in December 2024.
Okay, I constitutional ni memfa akaba balondi lale atila muta ketunde alipa dokola kumuta kumobe tay so akabo constitutional yang akabe parerin kawle balundi sain ten so president Adam Barrow kuma kan la wori albeya mo la December 2020 ngeno nyama ndol nyama bar ndol nyama president me kende arne de kana miram sasadal ngi dal na alfa la mu barkana mi ran sa sa la man sa sa da biya okay ndol ngalo nente analysis ba kala fon ela yon kula because gamenol men kala moy they are very well enlightened when it comes to this constitution. I'm not even going to waste my time on it. So comment ka not like don ka fale ko this is his latest information I mean for you because I make a constitutional code albealan. So okay. Paja. Bara paja nyane kata paja ndo let's go to mokendo yankuba la football ko ngo kacha follow den sina alabang paja la karola. So Yankuba made it to Fabrio me alon katelem football reporter sante amada ti juna sanjit nani sanjil koma bari nsafo wat mola afarman sera ni sanji sabol kono bari sante safo no ko dunia jande ni football reporter be je individual karola de malla mo baka bari Yankuba report sinya fula ni la 6 hours dama because mena kata Yankuba transfer ko do diamond dinna be je diamond na karola baka amanke kuti me alon ko isafo haji tinya kula bari coming nyomoy baliabe as to where he should stay, okay. Wala ñu ko abe final le and then abe loan le laje so sayam Yankuba andate hamo menti wala pour 4 minto Premier League kono, okay. Anu contract ko bani minute ma sansan meni assign wala Newcastle United so Fabio ko Yankuba mente keeps giving priority to Premier League moves as Everton are still interested while Brighton also asks for deal conditions. While Brighton also asked for deal conditions earlier this week. Olympic Lyon sent best proposal to Newcastle, but no green light from players' side as of now. Okay, so Yankuba lamang priority diala. He does not want to prioritize Lyon. No, I say Sabaronole play France is not a bad league. Mbappe play rajele. Moke da jamale jar rajela. Sadio Mane ñul be jemala and inshallah ala demaro now they are in higher heights. But earlier, before that, this post, Fabio Dofanaka, Yankuba want to watch in the next 24 to 48 hours as Newcastle are still trying to sell him due to financial fair play restrictions. Olympic Lyon made the best proposal. Minte is still keen on Everton move as priority. And Newcastle United and Minte are in contact to make a decision. Yeah, alama ale okay. I ku kairo kono kana ku fon rubena ka mbela. But it's good that Everton has joined the race and also Brighton will be Premier League team will di meni alonko at fon la fa play oli golo kono. Ngalongo ni play de Newcastle al pare because Yankuba ka play nyama ni dinin do la play nyaga mulumbe the whole world ndo Kenya ngator atitoka bonkono Australia. Alba jelal dal si tekalia bota kananan. Ngamera ni manyina bayani ya sign la he is coming wodini waka katoli pa nyamani Yankuba begili ko ni ka katoli pa golji ba kamera ko mebe amere golji ba kanne ka me yo ni amu dala ma he kasa but inshallah sabiri na ne Newcastle na le Yankuba offload de na albenda Premier League ko tubando wato aldal ta receive la ba nyin silo fanal nyinam fanal ba receive la so wala Yankuba la wadi but I hope that this story is a little bit strange dol gambe no fanalu I hope ala management ya mako because new story siwa mandal ko sifa mai back when it comes to these things nim club la fake offload ya sakwa manke ko mengo ko imam fitle imam fengele imam malomba fa manke ko men kole Yankuba be da big is a world class he does not need to prove that anymore I see no men play this year menke it's enough he doesn't need to prove anything to anybody he has done enough and he has shown enough as well so I think if they want to offload you due to financial fair play restrictions I think it's just it's quite understandable it's just unfortunate that it perhaps your stay with them has to end this way, but I don't think it's as bad, to be very frank with you. So minanam main story though, one of the main stories memenate kanjambi wala pajanj munamba pajanj la video mba pile la bom fonta pile because pa is annoying. Pa is very 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 annoying. Okay, memenga me pa jan play la lele montro wat fula montro minute fula maybe ali yalla moy because I même be for misinformation on lafta ka wala di bonko so bari mbal bulala ali yalla moy 2 minutes na ali yalla moy o ko la ngana sinandale set ko perkano ko panje tonya ja anyanda tala do kunyi no la politiko dala me chote politiko la me am every time so la Pajany, okay, no problem. I'll Pajany for 2 minutes.
Assalamu alaikum, suma mbokki Gambien si. Tay nak dama ñew def update bu daw yaram. Def update bo xam ni ñep ngeen am ci sétlu. Ku wéti li ma wax. Starté ko Westfield nga continuer dem ba tabo ko gis liggéey bu bon bi nga xamné contracteur bi nga xamné Talib Bensouda moo ko jox contrat bi nga xam ne lii liggéey bu bon la suma mbokki Gambien si pax mango dañ ooyi ci kaw tibba ci kaw tuuti rek lañ tibba ci kaw xool leen lii dañ tibba ci kaw rek bàyyi pare pour tëjaat bi fraude continuer di am Talib suma mbokk nga suma waa ñaani nga wax naa la ne soo gisee duma laa jàm baat mooy ne mag yow ñoo jógee ñaani sa waajur waa ñaani la te it su ma xoolee ne sëti Saa Dawda Kairaba Jawara nga war naa laa mun a jox cër ngir sumay waajur ak sumay maam ñu toppoon Saa Dawda Kairaba Jawara rek waaye Talib liggéey bi nga xam ne contrat.
No, Ilama, look. You cannot listen to this guy for 2 minutes. Sorry, we have to cut it here. Sorry. Okay, let's just continue. Simon Gida, Panja be mem fokanda be wala nankale ko NPP mu North Korean People's North Korean People's Party lam, okay? Ila propaganda samba warta bak. So Simon Gida jam, wala ñu digo. On the 14th of June, today is on the 28th of June, exactly 2 weeks ago. The Kanifi Municipal Council and its development partners are actively clearing drains across the municipality to prepare for the upcoming rainy season. This collaborative effort aims to prevent floods and prevent disaster-prone areas. Specific drains in various locations have already been cleared, and additional areas are targeted under the West African Coastal Area Project. The National Roads Authority, NRA, the National Roads Authority, NRA, will also clean drains on main highways. To enhance resilience, the West Africa Coastal Area Project will clear the Kotu stream and acquire 6 water pumping machines. Residents are encouraged to support these efforts and avoid littering the drains. This is a report from the 14th of June. Talib Nada, in fact, I reported this year. Many along also read and cartoon me platform was ngani report nunjan. Alboga real news. Alboga son ko follow. What you are ali alfang task men na wolen kataka ni WhatsApp forum ol kono. Ka kuma forum ol fonyo ka kuma bal fonyo ka nyo tanis ka nyo toltinya ka nyo kabula nyola ka nyo kisi ka nyo record albo le WhatsApp group o maga political. You have to follow the main news because no that we cannot be doing this all the time. I don't care about bal I to plan on the fumole na kasinen. Ida min do bring yibe nyimfola. Inade kale ko. In fact, the National Road Authority will also clean drains on main highways. Itarebe Nyembenkanta is a main highway. National Road Authority le nyaka yimdara fita. And probably telephone e jevida. Panya. Di ibe yimendo highway nyimanke telephone la dokuti. Tale nante da hala nyimfon la. Amanka la dokuti National Road Authority la marta nyendulara. But as a municipality, mol men ka siwular men ka federal god light, ka tax collector bul. Inade ye fancy ko okay mbejang clear la. You might understand. Idunda wodi ngomen kono je itama andi ye men that is very risky because wodi ko fa itama walon ala depth be mun tole ye kenyo men ko kenyo jama bije abota nan dula le ta comme bankol men be tamene ye fenno ren dole be bar kenyo nyin sita je wo kono din ko starano je le panya ye fan sin kati wala ye fan faje ite hakildula wo jare da nyin fenke sifal and by the way nyim la ka fital wala na je be dunde nje bu ka fitano abe kala non dula sunkandi wal tete sonna non kadunje fo defa mo sunkandi wal ite sonna non kadunje. So what are you guys trying to do? NPP alidaha propaganda. Alidaha propaganda. And let me just tell you something. On June 21st, almost a year ago, 1 year 7 days ago, or 1 week ago, Talib report on Fatu Neto. That's why it is very important that news outlets you report the real news. And I don't know, Malta like Labak, but just put it there for the record. And if you go to the mainstream, many along go kela femol senye, ibeka ni report. Go to any Gambian mainstream news outlet. Yaji beka mune safe on this thing. You learn activity. No matter how little you think that, no matter how irrelevant you think certain news is, abula jedro. Abula jedro. Maybe mojamata like la mojamata interested la, but at least let it be out there because some of these things are very, very important. But it bukata news buka read. Itekatara WhatsApp that's not where the real news is all the time. What on defon sidano je nganta record ngakeje. And ni lapta modo chahan la WhatsApp group ko non sidano ngakeje. But ninga real news fana so non sidano ngakeje. So it's a double sword. It's a use on both ways. But itekata mena what woman ni wada mada mala WhatsApp man real news to the WhatsApp fake news le because itekata mena je. Itekata ya je video von record le just purposely pour kara kasia WhatsApp propaganda. Ale WhatsApp ka propaganda dula le NPP. The Kanifi Municipal Council, this is from June 21st, 2023. Kanifi Municipal Council says it remains prepared and committed to cleaning drains within the municipality to mitigate as much as possible the occurrence of flooding this year. Meanwhile, the council says people should direct any complaints they may have regarding the excavation of drains along the Brikama Highway to the National Roads Authority, who, it says, are currently conducting the excavation exercise. So the excavation, this is from June 2023. And if you have any complaints regarding these drains, you direct it to the National Roads Authority. Where were you, Panjai? Please stop taking your news from only WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp, check your Facebook, check newspaper websites. Because no debate like in Sifal Damala. There are several mainstream outlets out there in the Gambia. See a battle for it be continuano. Many along they have communications directly from government, directly from the councils. Ni na take publish. You may not like them. It like Jamajale Bala, it comment Jamajale, but at least these are updates about what is going on. And these are sometimes the real news. Go and get them from all the media outlets. I can count those in here without even blinking. If you're far in it, go and check those. Ite man ke news reporter. Ite mo propaganda salt. By the way, ela not Korean citizenship sa memba dile la waro. Nal me dahanyi na bal be kala jana nga Gambia passport busa la nga not Korean passport. Mota tara ntula passport tara mobilika tara nyam propaganda si fast spread. Iko da man ke kinjo mo na moldi. Al kana moli ya buai. Okay. In fact, let's ngata me news la. So let's go to Kemesa ya. Bara fana nyin wara be report la na kumasinya. Galal kumasinya so la moldan. Yo, police arrest 3 members of Cement Importers Association. So, Cement Importers only back and Hansa Eko de Sabarla. Kek said 3 members of Cement Importers Association were arrested for at the National Assembly premises by personnel of the Gambia Police Force after coming to the National Assembly displaying banners and T-shirts with messages such as, Mr. President says something. Our trucks are standing at the border. We need free trade market. Why are we not allowed to work in our country? Please lift the ban on the importation of cement. Liberate trade on cement importers. Why only one man is allowed to import cement? Among other messages. Medana Oldo, analysis. Cement importers. Yalon temam bamba nung bakal la kula kal criticize. Because nga feel ko nimole la na fulo dum fengo ke atinya na fulo na kasara. Wala ya jo kala fraka kasare manya ke hadanya la wala na I was just trying to tell people what these people are saying, they do not have valid points. And today I want to talk about this. Alman bolo dal bulu anung ale menke ala right lam pour ka protest bara ala hakiltu propaganda mambeti antem oppositional the dead opposition adam baron nenta support la. But I stand 110% behind him. I'll go against him if he I'll tell left and I opposite when it comes to this matter. Stop propaganda. And I know some people in the opposition are like, oh, why are you defending the government on this? And if you listen to me, I'm going to tell you every single point. Munatina, you cannot believe these people. Or we should not even, it is not even a matter of belief. We should not support this position. One, the government has already taken a commitment. They will address this matter. Kabira Keta, I think this was back in April or May. The discussions will be held in July. Okay, now do we have the power to push time? July. The discussions will be held in July. Kabiring 2 months ago, July discussion of Kelal. So and we are this timeline of me for Amansi. Ilafta Munel. Ila cement all over border. Look, bro, ila koma mbalafa, ila cement wa betinya. You know why? Because Birala cement follow na eco. They told you ikale ko nga fenkole laja what mo jamai na Gambia banko kan. Ikale ko nga cemento nying mbe tax la lada kan because for several reasons. One, atol fon low tax men alka tax men jo border ya fala nju jajol ka keje kasara lol ka keje al nimta custom official ka sunya rol ka al buka jo nyama alka tax evasion ol keje in because al ning custom official le ka conspire yo valile ikale ko local industry. The main reason, domestic industry, cement production obijan, alko nyanta ko wala protect, alko manke tonyadi. And that's my main argument. Listen to me. We need to educate one another here. Alka fem fa bemu nakar kumoldi. There is no truth in it whatsoever. Albala na fulo na la jibol noma. But Senegal, we are going to stand against Senegal in this matter. As long as there is chance for cooperation will continue. Prohibited items will be Senegal from Gambia. Fatol da malaka export import and export in Gambia in Senegal them. Those people they are not even dreaming of exporting anytime soon to Senegal. Okay, let me address Cimento member border. They gave you a certain period of time. Okay, saying yala trokol muta border fata in order for saying a trokol nyinge bulale. But say alkana cement in the kotek. If you go to Senegal, to hell with you, you buy your cement. I don't really care. And momo balafate umula problem. But you had your cements at the border. If you sell these ones, do not import another one, because in July there will be another discussion to settle this matter, and we all know where we stand. Ikale July manzi, you go and buy cement. Allah cement do it. Look, and this cement motol me yalango kanye cement dol ya fale kale ko. Most of these people are Senegalese businessmen. Many alonko in industries. Senegal in a little bit deal. This is a cartel. This is not like a plus or minus or gray area thing. This is a direct cartel. Many along cemento san wafi Senegal. It will more killing all the canane kadin dilo kato jamabiye. Alka foko nyin troko muntal. Troko nyi mankal tati. Troko me Senegal la troko lelt. Senegal banko kan Gambia le ka moto sang anyhow adiate nyama ya sama na Gambia. Senegal ni moto is certain 8 nala 8 tambita certain ilaman for 10 years lem for how many years lamba. Ibuka import no into Senegal. So nyemo jama bi ka trokol sanne e ka motol sanne ke sama directly into Gambia e ka foko na moto la nyindi itande me ya sang wo bi jele Senegalais la wodi Senegalais la sang sama na Gambia aba Gambia registration number bala akata Senegal only on business trips but Senegalais la tam abuka moto buka stie Senegal moto ma register Senegal a register Gambia but is owned by a Gambia a Senegalese ale amana mol malo kodi Alkafa Moleko ha, Nyuluka cement. They import cement just like the United States of America. Look, cement production is something that Gambia should never look into because it has a lot of environmental implications. Cement production has a lot of environmental implications. Cement environmental is just too much. Okay, ndalta ka cement import from within Senegal lambang, Daoda, Europe lambang, Turkey lambang, I don't know wherever. Ndalta ka import nyama, I think we should just continue with that. Government yana tax tala iba yala ko we can sustain no atamol badan both importers and the consumers. Okay, but we cannot afford to have a cement factory anytime soon. So Alkamen for welcome menke ya fale they define this to you. I don't need to go over this again with you. It does not mean that the fact that they import a large chunk of product package Gambia, that doesn't make them co. They are not actual. They are not a factory. They are still a factory legally. It is still a legal factory. Just because it has a good part of the cement and Southern Africa is almost like a ready product. That does not mean that they are not a factory. They are still a factory. They are paying tax in the country. They import and they are registered in the country as a producer. So we don't even need this cement factory in Gambia. You got to go US. They are not going to have a cement factory. A cement factory because environment so just like the Gambia. So we are civilized in that area. We are going to continue. I think that's what the government needs to do, if you ask me. They need to continue importing ready product of cement and repackage in Gambia. Wafi. Molia wafi business la ya wafi je and your cement with your that low quality cement alka ni ndo kuntaki alka wafi the same price alka molel nene ni men na fulo kasara je la hajola mol bala fata le jene mol yal bule. People reserve criticism for you mainly because you had your products at the border and we understand that it's going to be a massive losses on you. Well, I didn't criticize you, but they gave you a chance. They cleared it for you. Now, you went ahead back because of greed, conspiracy, and cartel criminal activity. If it is at the border, and you should stop the importation. Fair. People are working on how to make sure that we have a cooperation with Senegal. Protocol because Senegal Gambia han fuel on Yasan Gambia. Pourquoi Senegal is a problem? Fuel of anything. People are trying to fix that. Atol kan alka fo mole ko ha because you think you are taking advantage of certain opposition elements. Alka fo ko ha what government is doing to us is grossly unfair. You think this is about we want credibility. Look, if you criticize, you want to be listened to. If you want somebody who you are criticizing to listen to you, you have to be logical. And the most stupid position in this matter is to say that you people have the right to come bring cement from Senegal, who is not even owned by most of you. Some of you are not even registered businessmen in Gambia. Even if you are registered, you have some sneaky ways of doing business because you don't pay adequate taxes. One, you are dealing with unregistered people. Many alongo they are informal business. So you can balu wala, you can cement out wafi at a price. Many alongo they take advantage of the fact that nilka high quality cement already. Ika na kuntaki, ika mute ika wafi at a higher price. Allah cement fooling on me alcarbon na Senegal. Munana Senegal is high quality cement. Alkana mol company. Senegal has a very high quality cement, but they don't allow the exportation of that cement into the Gambia. You think we are going to sell the Gambia for something? If you love Senegal that much, go and stay there. Until we are Africans, we don't hate any African. But and then as African claim for caring, any group of people, we want a better cooperation with Senegal. You think we don't know that there are lapses here and there? There are several areas of cooperation between the Gambia and Senegal that we can improve on. But not this cement issue. Until we just allow them to import cement anyhow they want. Some of you are selfish. Nothing but selfish act. Greed. Selfish. Some of you are just selfish. Nothing but selfishness. How can you say we need to allow cement from Senegal to come into the country with no condition or restriction whatsoever? When Senegal is not allowing us to import anything into the country, the government tells you that we are going to have a discussion about this matter in July, and you are sitting here protest. Protest is within your civil rights. Go and protest. But you also have the right to go and eat food in Mile 2. Go and protest all you want. There is still food and shelter in Mile 2. Alkanamol fair. Farol the Maltam Gambian. Because I told you they were losing a significant amount of money. They felt it necessary to come and sit before national television. We decided not to criticize you because we know you bought a lot of cement. But after that, yalla cement when you take this into the country, you sell it. Do not go and bring another cement. Where there is an ongoing negotiation, you went ahead to buy cement. Alamala cement obe chapa yasin. A bet nya. Fatolen jumara atole da maltam gambe mo ne Senegal tema Senegal buka son tolga fen wa fi bango ka atol kana wal ka fa mo le janko ha ngirib ngaram mo selfish rimol alman fello namanga la pocket hold. Some of you if you feel that loyal to Senegal, go and stay there. And to hell with anybody men ka fa mo le ko ha if ni mo le ntol ni Senegal Senegal man tol ni ndole nga Senegal ni. What kind of alkana mol kamfandi way mo logical between two countries, no matter what happens, two countries, many along they are neighbors. If you don't know how an economy functions, Senegal needs us. Who tell you Senegal does not need us in any way, shape, or form? Al selfishness, being an opposition does not mean that you have to be illogical and stupid. Because you see in a position, you know very well that this does not work for your country. And especially you people have not been told that this is prohibited forever. You have been told that this is prohibited. But wait, in July we are going to have a discussion and you still opted to go and protest. Fine, within your rights. But do not come here to tell us that we cannot do this to ourselves. We are doing this to ourselves. We are not doing this to ourselves. You are trying to kill local industries in Gambia. Yes, Jah Oil has a lot to improve on. I am not in any way, shape, or form defending Jah Oil. I don't even want to talk about them because I know the kind of business that they do in that country. Do I approve every single aspect of it? No. But selling cement, they have every right to sell cement anyhow they want to in that country. Anyhow they want to in that country. As long as they are the ones importing cement and rebargaining it, and all those people, I don't know, Salam or whatever their name is. Ika cement dota ika repackage Gambia, ika Gambian employer la. Atol kade nyunan criminal me al nibe do ko la Senegal, ika trokol del alke samnan Gambia alke dal wo cement kilo muda. Alka wafi low quality cement. Senegal la cement kendo membe Senegal e so ngai wafi Gambia. Alkana mol fair. Alkana mol fair la cement membe border al me beetinya. Alkana mol fair. Ye chance dialla, they gave you a chance and you blew your chance. Ikale ko cimento sama ala adundi banko kan nale adundi banko kan ni mboda jal kana muruna ka cimento sto Senegal. You decided to go and do it. Thank you. Abal al kungokanje, al kungokang. Okay, badi mo programo nyumba danna jane. Ñun cimento wa filale la ko kan dimi baba kele. Some of these people, they are just criminals. I'm not going to mince my words. These people, many of them are criminals. Bila wala tala criminal ola ñul. They are very big criminals. If a propaganda in funny Laka Masakundaka is just outrageous. It is not in the interest of any opposition party, opposition figure. Momoya long oppositional bang wolabat ne Masakunda opposite. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Ibe memfoka ibe Gambel Jamfaka ibe Gambel Kasara Kuro, Elafaka Gambel Tinya. We have to protect the integrity of our country. Government land negotiation, we have to give chance to that force. Ni felta kang minangi la tablo kanyang busu because nkolo kanyang every day. Ni menkeku ni criticize. That's what we do. But you know they tell you they gave you a timeline. You kota tawkele kota be fansun target. Te fansun bankolo mende de ko. But nini molde na bankolo. Mende aral be alcoholic. Allah baraka bak. Simente kuma fila da ma kan company den. Amanke mobile. Thank you. Have a good day.